Okay, the camera's going.
And now I need a brush.
What you doing with the brush?
Hi guys.
What we doing earlier?
Oh, we was drawing a picture.
Drawing a picture, okay. I done finished my picture.
I ain't finished mine.
Okay.
So guys, as today we did about 5 retakes. Cause the first retake, cause I don't know what happened. The second retake, I don't know. The third retake ended on flip-top book and crammed it on camera, so then we had to restart it.
I'm sorry.
The fourth retake.
The fourth retake, Mama came outside and got mad at us. That if they're doing the drawers. Oops.
And
hold on, this pop socket don't want to work. You know what? Close enough. Actually, we need to get a real camera for real. Doing it on our phones ain't gonna make this work.
And on the fifth one, oh my God, it just happened badly. So this is what I did. It's gonna be hard, cause I said in the other 5th retakes, I was gonna run and get some flowers and run. I made my leg hurt, so yeah. I forgot to put on my braces when I got out, so yeah.
You put your ankle braces actually.
My ankles don't hurt that more anyway.
But you don't supposed to just put them on.
Please love me too. Please love me. Please love me too. This is my prayer. This is my, oh shoot.
You go, little Miss Aretha Franklin.
Hey, I miss Aretha Franklin, but I'm down here.
I still can't really put that on YouTube.
I know.
I looked a mess. My hair wasn't even done.
Angie, that was a month ago, and nobody even knows you. You was tucking in the back.
Yeah. But still, what would my friends thought? Let's smile from my school saw that video. That's why I got no friends. That's why I got no friends.
First of all, I am your friend, your sister friend. Second, you don't need any friends. You already got friends like Ethan, Beckett, Isabella,
We're not talking about him, okay? You know we aren't friends anymore, okay?
Anyway. That's just sad, Angie.
Hey.
I'm
not gonna be publicly putting my
boyfriend, darling.
Do you want to get hit?
No.
Stop saying that. We broke up a long time ago.
Hey! We got the rail, y'all. And we about to put on my lipstick, y'all.
You have my pen over there?
Yeah.
Over there, right there. I missed when I threw it at you. Is that my phone or your phone?
Your phone? Well, my phone for the first phone.
Behind us. Oh.
So, like, I'm going to do some of this, boo. This going to be the red velvet. Red velvet!
You mean like the cake?
No. Red velvet, the cover. Duh. I'll pick the blue.
What color do you decide to spread all over the blanket? Gonna get ink all over my blanket.
Yeah.
You know I sleep with this blanket, right?
Okay, first of all, you the one who put it on the ground. Okay.
I am stupid. Why did I put it on the
You
ground?
ain't stupid. You smart and intelligent, and you my best sister.
I ain't never get to have no fun with you around.
This is my picture. In the fifth grade take. If y'all can see, it's right here. Like, that's the lipstick over here, and here's my soul pop, and here's
Soda
these
pop.
branches.
So, like, what's the picture about? Does it have a... Why you hit the camera? You hit the entire camera.
Oh my god. So this what happened, guys. I was just doodling like here. Da 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 da. You don't need a reason. What's come from ha 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 how?
Really, Stevie Wonder? Really?
Stevie Wonder is the best.
No, he is. I can't lie with you with that. Not gonna lie, he's pretty good.
Don't you worry about thing. Don't you worry about thing, mama.
Too late.
What?
I'm already worried.
What you worried about?
Your mental health.
Don't you worry about things. Don't you worry about thing, mama.
That's definitely
Cause
not
I'll be
helping.
standing on the way to the drummer. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, mama. Guess I'll be standing on
Are you
the
good?
way to the drummer. Don't you worry about that.
Lord, have mercy.
Don't you worry about a thing.
Go on it.
Don't you worry about
Oh,
a thing. Don't you worry about a thing.
Ashley, you got the whole neighborhood worried about a thing, okay?
And my last, lip. Hold up, wait a minute. My lips. As I say,
Just popping away.
so this, it looks like lipstick, but it's melted in a bottle.
Why y'all melting lipstick? Like, seriously, that's a waste of good lipstick. Like, even though I don't wear lipstick myself, honestly, because my mom won't let me, but still, that's a waste of lipstick.
You 11 years old. You ain't 20 yet. Yeesh. Talking about, I don't even wear lipstick yet. I don't even wear lipstick yet. When you ain't 20.
You are so extra. Just go have to do all that for no reason. That wasn't even necessary.
This girl is not 20. This girl is 11.
I don't look 20.
You do today. Just,
Get out my hair.
and then a little puffing.
You know, no more puffing, okay? It's puffed enough, okay?
A puff.
I look like a poodle. It's puffed enough.
The poodle is crying.
Really now.
This is my
I'm like that.
prayer. This is my prayer, baby.
Child, you need a prayer. You need a prayer.
Okay.
You need some Jesus.
Stop in a minute.
Get off me.
Ooh, sorry.
Did you draw me?
No.
Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
So, guys.
That's why you don't sleep on my bed no more. Because you drool. And you kick. You're a wide sleeper. You wake up on one side. In the morning, you're all on the other side, hanging off the bed.
Well, guys, I'll be posting another video after this video. Because we'll be in the house by now. Hope.
You mean by then?
My skin
You're
is
going to be in
soft.
the house.
My skin is soft as a baby's bottom. Well, it looks like a baby's bottom.
That was so random. You don't want your face to look like a baby's butt. want to be supposed to be, but we don't want to look like me. This conversation is random. This video was random. What were we thinking?
What were you thinking?
This was my idea. What was I thinking?
You was thinking to be crazy. I ain't done yet. Why are you taking our stuff away from me when I ain't done
Why
yet?
you gotta be so loud? The neighbor gonna make complaints to the house. It's not funny. Lord have mercy. Needs help. Needs help, y'all. We need some pretty flowers.
We need to get a bucket. Then we need to put the flowers in a bucket. Then we need to
You know mom got allergies. She gonna kill us if we come in the house with a bucket full of flowers. She gonna be like, now why y'all up on here with all these flowers knowing I got some allergies?
That's your best impression? This is what her impression is.
Go ahead.
It's not a killer impression, okay? So this is what she be acting like. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Nope.
Wait a minute.
Nuh-uh. No.
That
Don't
be
say
mine.
something like that. No, I'm sorry.
Yes, this would be my... Guys, this would be my impression when I be grown. So this would be
no,
my...
we ain't doing that. No, we ain't.
This
we
would
ain't
be
doing
like, hold up.
Oh,
Wait a
my
minute.
child.
Wait a minute. Did y'all not clean your room up? Clean up.
Child.
Besides a nice mom, I'll be like this.
Jesus help her. She needs some help.
I don't think y'all should clean.
She
Tear it
needs
up.
some milk.
And
She
this
needs
is
some
what
help.
I have to do. Get out! Get out! I busted. Damn, I busted.
Okay. That's enough. You need to calm down. Take a breather. A 5 hour. Or something. Okay, just take a moment.
I'm gonna flower the plants, cause this is just water. It's all together. Ow! It's hard getting up when you want to flow.
She's struggling, y'all. She's struggling. She's really struggling to get off
the. Not again. I'm
She's
down.
struggling to get off the ground, y'all. She needs some help.
Dang it. Just to know, guys, my birthday will be 3 months. It's on June 5th, guys.
Actually, they're gonna. No, nobody's gonna call you. They don't know your number.
They do. I'm gonna put it.
Ash, your phone knows that isn't activated. You don't have a number.
Well, how you know?
Cause Mama told me. Cause you're 7 years old. You don't need a number.
They gonna be posting.
That's just a whole face palm moment right
They
now.
gonna be posting, people. They gonna be posting. 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 They gonna be posting.
Y'all, I think
They
she's having a
gonna be
full-on
posted.
breakdown right now.
It's all gonna break.
She's having a breakdown. Y'all need to help her. I need to pray for her.
I don't need this.
One like equals one prayer for this troubled soul.
I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need. I don't
Oh my
need
God!
this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need
What
this.
is this?
I don't need this.
Oh my God! I can't.
I don't need it. God.
Child, nobody needs this right now. Oh my God!
I don't need it. Oh my God. Where my AirPods? I need my AirPods.
You mean your inhaler?
Duh. I don't need it. I'm just kidding.
But you get over here acting a fool. Come back in the house before it starts raining up over here. No, I don't like that. It's gonna start raining. I can smell it. It's gonna start raining. We gotta get back in the house, child. Because my hair cannot get wet right now.
My death spray.
First of all, it's sanitizer. Second of all, I'm glad you broke it. Now I can start spraying everything in the house with sanitizer.
Duh, I'm gonna spray it anyway.
Now let me get the blanket, Ash.
You got it.
Watch your feet. Oh my God.
That's what you get.
Oh, y'all.
Let me get my child.
Frick.
And we get a little bit more time.
I don't want them to much more time.
Don't come up here.
Okay.
Go
It
to the
looks
back
so
door.
cool though. Okay. Bye, Daddy-o.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Uncle Cap. You got everything?
I with my head back and forth. I with my head back and forth.
I'm gonna take that's a yes. Wait, that's enough for today.
Yeah, we made a whole video saying, I don't need this. I don't need this.
Exactly. And I have to finish clean the dishes.
I don't need
Cause
this.
I'm a bit of a
I
procrastinator.
don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this.
So we'll make another. Oh jeez. We're gonna try to make another video tomorrow. I'm not sure. 'Cause we're supposed to be having friends coming over tomorrow. I'm not sure if they're gonna come over or not. Anyway, we'll see you guys soon. Peace. Ash, go sit back to your fans. Get off my bed.
This. I just don't need it. I just don't need this. I don't need it.
And that's the end of that. Bye, guys.